Here's what I pulled for Edie. I should warn you that most of the clothes in there aren't that stylish.
Oh, don't worry about it. Edie's a beggar now, which means she can't be a chooser. Of course, we don't have to add salt to the wound.
Listen, I was just getting dinner ready.
Say no more. I'll get out of your hair.
No.
Oh, by the way, was that you I saw getting pulled over by a policeman?
Yeah, the boys were acting up in the car, and I couldn't get them to sit down.
Young boys can be so willful.
I try everything. I scream, I threaten, I reason, I beg. Nothing works. I don't know if it's because they're too young and they don't understand, or they're just getting some perverse joy out of testing me.
My mother used to have the worst time with me in the car, so one time when I was acting up, she stopped and left me on the side of the road, and she drove off.
You're kidding.
Oh, she came back immediately, but I never misbehaved in the car again. You should try that.
Mrs. Huber, I could never leave my kids by the side of the road.
When it comes to discipline, sometimes you must be creative. My mother knew that. Smart lady. Of course, she's in a home now, and her mind has just turned to mush.
Yeah, like I said, I should go back and get dinner ready.
Oh, right, well. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Out! Can't behave. You heard me. You cannot ride. You, out. Move it.
Where's she going? I don't know. Where's she going?
Okay. Mommy's a genius. 6. All right. I'll be right back. Mommy, I'll be right back. Boys? 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 Porter! Preston! Parker! If you're hiding, you gotta stop now, because Mommy doesn't think it's funny! Oh! Excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm looking for my boys. 3 boys with red hair. Have you seen them?
Yeah, I also saw you drive away and leave them.
I know. I was just trying to scare them into behaving. Did you see where they went?
Yeah, they're in my kitchen.
Oh!
Listen, it seems to me that you have some anger management issues.
I have 4 kids under the age of 6. I absolutely have anger management issues.
Yeah, well, I think you need to talk to somebody because abandoning your children is...
I didn't abandon them. I came back.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it's not normal.
Well, my kids aren't normal, and now I don't have time for this lady, so... Boys, get out here!
No, I don't think they should go anywhere until you calm down.
Get in the car.
She's got cookies.
Well, bring them. We're leaving.
Oh, no. Stay put.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh!
Listen, lady, you and I are going to
Leave
have a little talk.
Mommy alone.
Let go of me! What's the matter with you? Run, boys, run!
Come on.
Oh, crap.
You get back here!
Boys, you're gonna need to put on your...
Get back! I'm going to call social services!
Ma'am, you know why I pulled you over?
Yeah.
I have a theory.
Ma'am, you know why I pulled you over?
Yeah.
I have a theory. I haven't slept through the night in
Ma'am?
6 years. I haven't slept through the night in
Ma'am?
6 years.
Say no more. I'll get out of your hair. Say no more. I'll get out of your hair. She's in a home now, and her mind has just turned to mush. She's in a home now, and her mind has just turned to mush. Of course, we don't have to add salt to the wound. Of course, we don't have to add salt to the wound.